Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Milesight UG67 outdoor LoRaWAN gateway and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this factory default for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the gateway will not connect to the internet, or it will not pair with the devices, or if it keeps crashing, or if it's not detected, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now, this will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings, so you'll need to set everything up again if you do this. But which brings me to the second reason you might want to do this, which is if you want to set this gateway up in a new space and just start fresh as though you were taking it out of the box, we can go ahead and do this. All you'll need, we're going to use the reset button there. All you're going to need is a paper clip or something like that to push in. And what we're going to do is we're going to push our paper clip in there and hold. It needs to be on. We need to have a solid green light. We're going to push the paper clip in and hold it for about 5 seconds. After about 5 seconds, the light will turn blue, solid blue, and then it will start to blink blue, at which point we can let go of the button and allow it to complete its reset. When it goes back to solid green, the reset is complete.